Did you know? 58% of Americans don't invest because they think it's too complicated or expensive. Well, what if I told you that you could start investing in 2025 with just $100? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, I'm Karan, and welcome to Karan Finance, your go-to place for simple, actionable finance tips. Today, we're talking about one of the most important steps you can take to secure your financial future: investing. Whether you're looking to grow your savings, build wealth, or just learn how to make your money work for you, this video is for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to start investing in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand why investing is important. First things first. Why should you even bother investing? Well, here's the truth. Keeping your money in a savings account might feel safe, but it won't help you grow your wealth. Thanks to inflation, the value of your money actually decreases over time. Investing, on the other hand, allows your money to grow through compound interest. For example, if you invest $1,000 with an average return of 7% per year, it could double in just 10 years. That's the power of investing. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Before you start investing, it's important to know why you're doing it. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or maybe just building wealth? Your goals will determine how much you invest, where you invest, and how much risk you're willing to take. For example, if you're saving for retirement, you might focus on long-term investments like index funds. But if you're saving for a short-term goal, you might choose something less risky, like bonds. Step 3. Learn the basics of investment options. Now that you know your goals, let's talk about where you can invest your money. Here are a few common options. 1. Stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. Stocks can offer high returns, but they're also riskier. 2. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are bundles of stocks or bonds that let you diversify your investments. They're a great option for beginners. 3. Mutual funds, similar to ETFs, but they're managed by professionals. 4. Real estate. You can invest in property directly or through REITs, real estate investment trusts. 5. Cryptocurrency, a high-risk, high-reward option for those who are comfortable with volatility. For beginners, I recommend starting with ETFs or index funds. They're simple, diversified, and low cost. Step 4. Choose a brokerage account. Next, you'll need a brokerage account to start investing. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. Some popular options include Fidelity, Vanguard, and Robinhood. These platforms are user-friendly and perfect for beginners. When choosing a brokerage, look for low fees, a wide range of investment options, and good customer support. Once you've opened your account, you're ready to start investing. Step 5. Start small and diversify. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. In fact, you can begin with as little as $100. The key is to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one stock or asset. For example, you could invest 60% in ETFs, 20% in individual stocks, and 20% in bonds. This way, if one investment performs poorly, the others can balance it out. Remember, diversification is your best friend when it comes to reducing risk. Step 6. Stay consistent and avoid emotional decisions. Finally, the most important rule of investing is to stay consistent. Don't panic when the market goes down. It's normal for investments to fluctuate. Instead, focus on the long term. Set up automatic contributions to your brokerage account and stick to your plan. Avoid trying to time the market or chasing hot stocks. As the saying goes, time in the market beats timing the market. Stay patient, and your investments will grow over time. Tips for success. Here are a few bonus tips to help you succeed. Start with index funds or ETFs. They're low cost and perfect for beginners. Reinvest your dividends to take advantage of compound growth. Educate yourself regularly. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Avoid high fees. They can eat into your returns over time. And most importantly, don't be afraid to start small. Every great investor started somewhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Karan Finance for more finance tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to investing? Are you ready to start investing in 2025? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take control of your finances and start building your wealth today.